Hello everyone, welcome to your English class. Today we will start a new lesson from your practice book, that is grammar. Have you got any time, just recollect, have you got any time, any other condition from your parents, from your teachers? Like if you will do that one, then you will get that one. Suppose if you will practice much more, if you will read much more, then you will get that reward. Have you not got any kind of condition like that from your parents, from your teachers also? If you will not do that kind of homework, then I will give that kind of things. Okay? So it may be that it will come in case of threat, it may come in case of appreciation, many more way. So today we will discuss on that matter only. What is it? That is conditional. Now regarding conditional, I must tell something. Conditional we may know in another name. What is you know? That is called if clause. Okay, in another name we may call. If we will go for the conditional, okay, then we may divide that conditional into four different categories. Okay, what are they? One by one we will discuss. First one will be zero conditional. Next one will be first type of conditional. First type. Okay. Second type of conditional, and the last one will be third type of conditional. Okay, and all these type of conditional is again divided into two parts. What are they? First, with example I am studying. Suppose first one. Okay, if he calls, I will come. Suppose if he calls, I will come. Now look at the construction of the sentence. Here you will get two type of things. What are they? First one here, it is called if clause. Now why it is called if clause? Because if the word is there included, so if you will separate or divide this whole sentence into two parts, this first part is if clause. Second part after comma, it is called, you know, it is called main clause. Okay. Mind it that main clause and if clause, they will be interchanged. Sometimes main clause will come at first, then if clause will come later. We may change like I will come if he calls. So on that time you can see that if clause is added to the main clause afterwards. Okay, so interchangeably they will come. Sometime main clause will come first, if clause will go later. Here you can see sometime if clause will come first, then main clause will go later. It depends on of the situation. Now what we will discuss? First, we will discuss according to the type of conditionals. Okay. So, what is zero conditional? What is zero conditional? We will discuss first. Suppose if I tell, if he comes, we go to that place. If he comes, we go to that place. Now it looks like a little bit odd, but still it is zero conditional. Why it is zero conditional? Just try to understand. It is if clause and it is main clause. Now which tense it is, can you understand? Which tense? Here he comes, it is simple present. It is simple present tense. What is it? With if clause, he comes, simple present. We go to that place, it is also simple present. It is also simple present. So now if, here the form I am writing if clause, if plus any other tense if plus any other tense. Whatever tense it will be used here in that place, same tense will be used in the main clause. Okay, the same tense will be there in the main clause. And that's why it is called zero conditional. That means here if clause and main clause, both the clause tense will be same. That's why it is called zero conditional. Okay, there is no other change of tense will be there. Understood? Now next, suppose if I will tell if he came, past tense, then we went. It is also past tense. We went to that place. It is also past tense. So past tense. It will be past. It will be past. So if plus same past tense, same past tense. So there will be no other change of tense. Zero conditional. It is not included in the syllabus. Still I have discussed. Now try to focus on first type of conditional. It is much more important for you. Okay? Just try to understand. First one. Suppose if he calls, I will come. That one I am asking. Okay? That one. If he gets the job, suppose if he gets the job, comma, next example, he will give us a treat. He will give us a treat. Now look at the construction of the sentences. Here if clause, it is if clause, and now it is main clause. Now what is the construction? Just look over there. First one, if he gets the job, here you can see it is what? Simple present. Gets, you know, it is simple present. So with if, here the formula is what? With if clause, simple present will be added. So with if clause, simple present, after putting comma, there will be main clause. And with the main clause, what is there? Subject plus will give. Will give, you know what is it? It is simple future. So simple future, you can see here, it is added with the main clause. Simple future. Now to add the simple future, you know that with the verb shall or will come. Okay? And followed by be on from. So simple future means, you know, shall or will followed by be on from of the verb. That form will be maintained. So first type of conditional, that is the form actually. If plus simple present, he gets the job, comma, then followed by simple future, he will give us a treat. Here simple future. So simple present followed by simple future. It is first type of conditional. Okay, have you got? Very easy. Now we are moving towards the next type of conditional. What is it, you know? It is second type of conditional. Just wait. Now second type of conditional. First type of conditional, zero conditional done. First type done. Second type of conditional. What is it? One example we are taking. Just a minute. If he worked hard, he might pass. If he worked hard, comma, he might pass. Another example I am taking. Suppose if he requested me, I would help her. If he requested me, I would help him. Two examples I have given. Just go through the examples. First one here, you know, it is the if clause. If he worked hard, next main clause, he might pass. Now can you tell me which tense is used here? He worked hard. It is simple, you know, simple past. In the first type of conditional, with the if clause, what is added? Simple present. So here it is just simple past, simple present to simple past. Now after putting comma, with the main clause, what? Here you know, it will be sometime might, sometime would, and sometime could will be added with the verb. So that is the rule. So if followed by simple past, that is the if clause, then what? With the subject, sometime might, sometime would, sometime could, plus given form will come. In the first type of conditional it is what? If plus simple present plus what? Will, simple future. Now here it will come what? Past form of all modal. What? Will be would, may will be might, can will be could. Okay? So here might, would, could plus given form will come here. So it is the form of second type of conditional. Very easy. Now here you can see also same. Requested simple past, if followed by simple past, then comma, then subject will come, then would help. As I told, any other might, could, would, any other will come. So could help V1 form. Here it is might V1 form past, then would V1 form help. So that is the form of second type of conditional. How easy it is, you know? In simple, I mean quite related with the first type. Okay. Next we are moving to the third type. Okay, could example 1 give? I will give. If they help me, suppose if they help me, come on, next example, I could pass. Now if they help me simple past followed by I could pass. As you can see, that is the rule, mind it. Might, could, would, any other followed by subject. Subject could, then V1 form. Mind it, here it is past, it is also past. Here what past, it is also past form of the modal. Very easy. Okay. Next we are going to the last part. What is it? Third type of conditional. Now regarding third type of conditional, I must tell something else. What is it? A little bit complicated, but still it is very much easy. Try to understand. If you had studied regularly, if you had studied regularly, okay, then what happened? You would not have failed. You would not have failed. So now look at the construction of the sentence. What is it? Now if you had studied regularly, okay, which tense it is? Can you tell me? If followed by which tense? You had studied. Had studied, it indicates what, you know? It is actually what? Past perfect tense. Actually past perfect tense. Had followed by V3 form of the verb, obviously it will be past perfect. Then after putting comma, there will be again subject you. Would not have failed. Now that is the form, mind it. Would not have. So actually answer will be would have followed by V3 form of the verb. Would have V3 form of the verb. If it is negative, then would not will come. Okay. So that is the form actually. Would have V3 form of the verb. If negative will come, then simply add not with would. So that is the rule of third type of conditional. You should understand. Now past perfect means had followed by V3 form of the verb. If it is had followed by V3 form of the verb, obviously in the main clause there will be also V3 form of the verb. That's why failed V3 form has come. It is also V3 form. It is also V3 form. They are quite similar. Now would have, that is the extra rule you should understand. Would have, one verb will come would have V3 form. Okay. Another example I am giving just as, if Manoj had heard the weather forecast. Okay, we have discussed third type of conditional. Now we are discussing with single example how we can convert first type, second type, third type. Just as first example I am giving, if it rains I will stay at home. Okay, suppose if it rains I stay at home. Now can you tell me which type of conditional it is? It is actually zero type of conditional. That number 1. It is zero type of conditional. Number 2, second type. Number 3, fourth, second type. Okay. Now, if it rains, I stay at home. If it rains, can you tell me? It is simple present. It is simple present followed by I stay at home. It is also simple present. So whenever no other change of tense will be there, then it will be zero. Now next, the same type of conditional will be converted into first type. Just look. Example will be if it rains, comma, simple present followed by simple future, then I shall stay or will stay, both will be applicable, will stay at home. You know, that is actually second type of conditional. That one. Simple present followed by simple future, will stay. Okay? Next one. Here you can see it is simple future. It is simple present. It closes. Now, next example. Third type of conditional. Second type of conditional. If it rains, simple past, then I would stay at home. It is, you know, it is second type of conditional. Okay? It will be better if I tell it is zero. It will be first type of conditional, 1. It will be second type of conditional, 2. It will be third type of conditional, 3. So here it will be 0. It will be 1, first type of conditional. It will be second, 2 type. Now third type of conditional is coming. So here you can see second type of conditional. If it rain, it is what, you know, which tense it is? It is simple past. It is simple past tense. If it rained, then I would stay at home. It is also what? Past form of will. You can see. Simply you should change will into would. Would stay at home. So it is past form. It is also past. So simple past followed by past form of modal. Can will be could. Will be would. May will be might. Followed by V1 form of the verb. Last one, third type of conditional. Now if it had rained, you know, had rained, past perfect tense, then I would have stayed. I would have stayed at home. Now it will be third type of conditional. Now you can see here it had rained. It is what? It is past perfect tense. So the tense you should have a clear idea. Past perfect, it had rained, then I would have. Here you can see I have brought what? Would have followed by V3 form of the verb, that is stayed. Okay, stay will be stayed, V3 form of the verb. It is the rule. Third type of conditional. So if it had rained, I would have stayed at home. That is third type of conditional. So from a zero type of conditional, we may change all type of conditional if we know the rule. Okay, that is all about conditional or it close. Thank you. Have a good day.